A lot of people don't know how organized Notion can make you be. As a mother of two girls, it's not easy to be able to track and budget. It's not easy at all. Writing content, organizing content. In fact, doing a lot of things that has to do with planning. I use Notion. I've been using Notion for a long time, but I just stopped using it. But later, recently, I started using it. But now, something unique about Notion is here that I will not want you to miss at all. Before, we have to arrange these things by ourselves. But guess what? Notion now has AI, where you can input your prompts, and whatever you want, Notion will do it for you when it comes to planning. And Notion can do a lot of complex things. But as a stay-at-home woman that is very, very busy, I will not want to start with that complex thing. I want to start with something that is very, very simple, especially for stay-at-home women that have not used Notion before. And Notion is not only for stay-at-home moms, it's for anybody that is always looking for where is my money going into. So let me share something with you. I have my calendar, Notion calendar. I have this calendar here. So all I am going to do is to pick a prompt from here. So let me pick this one. Build a budget tracker in Naira with category: school fees, feeding, fuel, data, house help, saving. Show how to use formulas and data. So I'll just copy this. I have plenty of prompts that you can use. This is just for Notion. And this is my YouTube topic. If your money is finishing before months finish, we need this. So yeah, let us copy. Let's copy it together. Let's now go to Chrome. I've run it before, so I want to do it again from scratch. So I'll come to Notion AI. I'll come to Notion AI. I'm going to Notion AI. What can I brighten up for you today? Okay, so I'll just paste my prompts. Then come to this adding. You can add image, you can add PDF, you can add Excel, then you can add context, then you can use research mode. But there's another thing that I love about Notion that I want you to see. Can you share GTP here on Notion? You see, I can use Claude here, I can use Gemini, I can use share GTP here inside Notion. So why am I running up and down when Notion has given me everything? So the main focus now is for you to know how to prompt very well. Know what your problem is, then know how to say it. Or tell AI in such a way that AI will understand what is my problem. My own problem is I don't know where my money is going to. I'll buy fuel, I'll buy that. I'm not keeping record. Now I want to use Notion to do it, and I don't know how to use Notion. So I don't know how to use Notion. It's no longer an excuse. You know why? Let's see. So just pick any one of these. You can choose ChatGPT, but I'm going to use Cloud. So and if you want auto, if you don't know what to do, you can just leave it at auto. But me, I've choose where I want to. So I'll just click on this purple. I'll submit it. So yeah, then you can go and do whatever you want to do. You can go and start doing your children's assignments. You can go and start cleaning your room. You can start going to ChatGPT to learn some other new prompts that you can use. Even to know how to use Notion. Go come inside Notion and tell Notion to tell you, to explain to you how to use prompts in such a way that Notion will understand. You'll be surprised what Notion will give you. How Notion will explain to you step by step. We have inbuilt tutorial here in Notion. So okay, so it's doing this. I'm not doing anything, I'm just talking and I'm clapping my hands. You can hear the sound. Create budget tracker database with category. Add sample pages with data for each category. Then create a guide page explaining how to use formulas and database. This is not the business part of it. I can sell these templates for you. I can choose to sell it for 5,000 or 10,000 naira. And I'll also include the manner on how to use it without you seeing me. I'm not doing anything. I just have a problem. The problem is I don't know where my money is going to. Before the end of the month, I will have so money. I don't know where that money is going to. Now, I need a solution. And my solution is with Notion AI. So let's continue. It's creating the database. I'm not doing anything. So if I want to start teaching another student, now I can start teaching. If I want to feed my children, I can feed my children. That is what it means to work smart. All these little things that you will start cracking your brain on, AI can do them. It's just for you to learn how to use the right prompts for it to be able to do it for you. So it's doing it. And guess what? You can create a whole comprehensive online course using Notion. Yes, I have one on young CEO of girls between 12, 10 above that you want to train them how to use AI to get better with your family business. I have that. I created that using Notion AI. And you know what? Something about Notion AI. Notion AI was able to start with ethics, how to use AI. And you don't just come to AI and start talking AI. AI is a tool. That's the focus on its own. I created this using Notion. 8 weeks. So I'm talking, it's doing it though. Rate budget, that one is done. So now on her sample pages, it's doing it, and me, I am talking, it's doing it. So you can go and do some other things. You can go and do. Then if you have an organized thought, a thought that is not organized, maybe your content creation, you have them in ideas, but you don't know how to organize them, please bring them to Notion AI. Notion AI will explain everything to you step by step. So now we are in. Okay. So create step-by-step guide on formulas and database. So we can just open here. See, there's a manual with it. What is Notion database? There's a manual with it. You see, everything that will explain how the person will use the Naira budget tracker. Everything is there. So let's come here. Let's go that here. Now this is here. So just click on it. This is our real template, but this is the manual that will explain to you how to use it. So let's just click on it now. The two go and I'll show you. See, so this is it now. So this is it. This is it. So what am I going to do here? I'll come here. I'll add my cover. I'll add my cover. Once I click on add cover, it's going to give me. It's going to bring something up for me. I can click on change. Then click on upload link. Then I can also search. I can search from here. I can search since that to do with savings. I can pick money. I can just type in money. And you will enter anyone. You will enter anyone. Okay. You enter anyone. Then you can also add description. Then you see everything is well arranged for me. And I will input it. Money budgeted. Then another thing, just click here. For me to calculate all the money, I'll come to calculate, come to more option and sum. And I can also include that under my prompts. The same thing for here. The same thing here. Calculate. Click on it. Then click on more option. More option. Then click on sum. More option. Then sum. You see it now? It's going to do everything for us. Then the balance, you can equally do the same for the balance too. And equally come here and come to calculate, more option, sum. You can do this using your phone too. It's going to sum up everything for you. So where your money is going to, you'll be seeing it live and direct. Then category, everything is here. See it now. You'll be able to see it very well. This is all the expenses. Then you can also add icon if you want, and you are good to go. You just share it and you start using it. So what is stopping you from using Notion as a mother? And I'm going to tell you a lot of things about Notion using just prompts. We are going to create a lot of things. For example, see how many content I have on Notion. How many things just as a stay-at-home mom that can create using Notion. You see it? Plenty of them. So what is stopping you from using Notion? So just look out for this page, for this YouTube channel. You are going to gain a lot of things. So take your phone now. Take your phone now and please go to Notion. Go to Play Store and download the Notion. See you at the next video.